To celebrate its 130th anniversary, Skoda has unleashed a special edition of its beloved small hatchback, the Fabia 130. This model marks the fastest factory-built Fabia in the car's 26-year history. Yet even with the improvements, it still lags behind some of its main hot hatch rivals, like the Mini Cooper S. Built upon the existing Fabia Monte Carlo, the Fabia 130 gets a power boost thanks to an upgraded 1.5-liter TSI EVO2 engine. Power climbs by 27 horsepower, bringing total output to 175 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. While torque remains unchanged, the extra horsepower gives the car sharper acceleration. The sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour now takes 7.4 seconds, 0.6 seconds faster than the standard version. Mid-range acceleration also improves, with the 50 to 75 mile per hour pull dropping from 5.3 to 4.8 seconds. Top speed sees a modest increase from 139 miles per hour to 142 miles per hour. Despite these gains, performance enthusiasts may find the numbers underwhelming. The Mini Cooper S, which costs slightly less, delivers 201 horsepower and reaches 62 miles per hour in just 6.8 seconds with a 150 mile per hour top speed. Skoda's efforts are commendable, but the Fabia 130 stats leave it still playing catch-up. To enhance the driving feel, Skoda has reworked the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, though no manual gearbox option is available. The suspension has been lowered by 15 millimeters for a sportier stance and improved handling, and steering calibration has been refined for better feedback. The 18-inch smoked Libra alloy wheels and red brake calipers add visual aggression to match the car's performance upgrades. Visually, the Fabia 130 carries a bold yet tasteful design package. Customers can choose from 4 colors: moon white, velvet red, race blue, and black magic, all paired with a gloss black roof, pillars, mirrors, spoilers, and diffuser. The 130 badging is kept subtle, appearing only on the fenders and rear hatch, while door sills bear unique 130 markings. Priced at £29,995 in the UK, the Fabia 130 is £3,000 more than the standard Monte Carlo. It brings improved performance, sharper design details, and a touch of exclusivity, but Skoda's hot hatch still faces stiff competition. While it may be the fastest Fabia ever, the Mini Cooper S continues to hold the upper hand in outright power and speed.